In this lecture, we will try to understand a very important method in Java programming language, that is super method. If you speak strictly, we already discussed about this particular method in my single inheritance class. But let me recall this method. Just try to recall what is this super method. Super method is used. Super method is used to call superclass constructor. To call superclass constructor. To call superclass constructor from subclass constructor. From subclass constructor. We will try to demonstrate this with the help of simple Java program. Just see this program. Just I have a class. What is my class name? My class name is test. Isn't it? This is beginning of the class. This is ending of the class. This is beginning of the method, ending of the method. But if you speak strictly, this is constructor. This one is constructor. Whose constructor? This is superclass, I can say. This is superclass, or I can say parent class. Class space nog1 underscore 62. This is subclass. This is subclass. As I told you, this is superclass. Class space subclass name extends superclass name. This is also constructor. Whose constructor? Subclass constructor. Subclass constructor. Isn't it? This is super method which we discussed in single inheritance class. Let me repeat this. First, let me explain this program so that we will try to understand few points about this particular super methods. Otherwise, I can say we will try to understand restrictions of using super method. Now, let me say like this. Let me show the output. What is the output? Just let me explain the program. What it says, public static void main string args. I am creating an object. For whom I am creating an object? I am creating an object for subclass. What is my subclass name? nog1 underscore 62. Class name space object name equal new class name. While creating an object, automatically which one will be called? Constructor will be called. Therefore, control will go to its own constructor. Which number I am passing? I am passing number 50. Number 50 will be copied to x. Therefore, what is my x value? X value is 50. This is super method. What is the purpose of super method? We can call superclass constructor from subclass constructor. Which one? This is nog1 underscore 60 int of x is subclass constructor, whereas test int x comma int y is superclass constructor. Super method is useful to call superclass constructor. Therefore, this 10 and 20 will be copied to x and y. System.out.println x star y. 10 into 20 means what? That's 100. That's what it is displaying in output screen. It's displaying 200. After executing, this is beginning of constructor, this is ending of the constructor. Again, control will go back. Where will it go back? It will go back to system.out.println x. What is my x value? 50. Therefore, what will it print? It will print 50. That's what it says. This is simple and a straightforward program. If you speak strictly, it is a repetition class. Just see, we are accessing, just see, super of 10 comma 20 means we are accessing the superclass constructor with two integer parameters 10 comma 20. I can say, let me discuss restrictions of using super. Restrictions of using super method. Using super method. Let me say like this. What is my first restriction? If exists. If exists in the sense, if super method exists. If exists, it must be it must be. I already discussed this point in single inheritance class. If exists, it must be the first statement. It must be the first statement. It must be the first statement in the constructor. First statement in the constructor. Just see, this is constructor, subclass constructor. Which one is first statement? Super method is first statement. It must be first statement. That is the restriction. This is first point. My second point is we cannot use two super methods. Two super methods within the same constructor. We cannot use two super methods within the same constructor. What is the reason? Why we cannot use? What is the reason? What is the reason? I will repeat. We cannot use two super methods within the same constructor. As both cannot be the first. As both cannot be the first statements. As both cannot be the first statements. We were saying that it must be a first statement. Your super method must be a first method. I will repeat. We cannot use two super methods within the same constructor as both cannot be the first. That is, we cannot use two super statements. What does it mean? We cannot use two super methods within the same constructor, isn't it? We cannot use. I cannot use two super methods in the same constructor. That's important, isn't it? Yes. You must understand if it exists, if super method exists, it must be the first statement in the constructor. As I told you, we cannot use two super methods within the same constructor as both cannot be the first statements. That is, we cannot use two super statements or two super methods. Just go through this lecture. It is simple and straightforward lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Just let me demonstrate this. What is my file name? nog_62.java, isn't it? Where it is. Let me go to command prompt and let me show this program output. Just see this one, JAVAC space nog_62.java. I am compiling. Let me run the program. Just I am running the program. JAVA space nog_62. I am getting 250. That's what this output shows, isn't it? Just say this one. This is 200, 50. As I told you, it's a simple lecture, simple and straightforward lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.